Hello everyone, it is Mr. Lauber here. I'm just recording a video. It's kind of late, so I can't talk too loud because my housemates are sleeping. But I just wanted to get you started with the work for this week. Just so you know, the plan moving forward is that I'm going to be posting a video like this every other day, so on what would be 8 days. So this week I'll be posting them on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then after I post the video, I will also post, it will be in the description of this video, it will be on Google Classroom, it will be in the Remind, I'll post a link to the quizzes. So you should watch this video, and then there will be a 10-question quizzes that will go over some of the same skills we've done that I go over in the video. In this case, it's going to be something you've done before, you've seen before, but in the future, it will be a video on a new topic perhaps. So you should get in the habit of watching them. This one should only be 5 minutes long. I can't imagine making a video longer than 10 minutes, so we'll see. Anyways, I hope you all are doing well. If you have any questions, I will be holding a Zoom session where you can kind of FaceTime in and ask any questions if you have them. I'll be doing that this week on Tuesday and Thursday at 2 o'clock, so let me know if you have questions. Of course, you can also email me. But now, let's get into the math. So, this week, we're going to start with solving equations. We're starting with solving equations because it's a skill you really need to have for Algebra 2 next year. And of course, it's something we use in geometry all the time as well. So here we have an equation. It's kind of a complicated one. It's going to be several steps. There's a couple different ways you could start. Whenever I see these parentheses, I like to start by distributing. So I'm going to distribute 2 to the x and 2 to the 5. So 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 5 is plus 10. I'm going to draw this line down the middle so I can keep track of what's on one side and what's on the other. On this side I'm looking, I actually see two things that I can combine. Remember, if terms are alike, then I can combine them. I've got the 5x and the 3x. So 5x plus 3x is 8x. I cannot combine the negative 2 because it does not have a variable with it. It doesn't have the x. So it will be 8x minus 2, since these are not like terms. Now, a couple of things I could do next. I'm going to try and isolate this x, get it all by itself. So first I want to get rid of the constant, get rid of minus 2, inverse operation, so I'll do plus 2 over there. I also have to do plus 2 over here. 8x minus 2 plus 2 is just 8x. Meanwhile, over here, I can't do 2x plus 2 because these are not like terms, but I can do 10 plus 2. So 2x stays there. The 10 and the 2 can be combined because they are like terms, and I get 2x plus 12. Now I've still got an x over here. I don't want that, so I'm going to do minus 2x. Again, inverse operations. We're left with 6x. And what's left over here? The 12. So we have 6x equals 12. I'm guessing most of you can do this last step. We've done it a lot of times. We want to get the x all by itself, so we divide by 6, divide by 6. And we're left with x equals 2. And there you have it. And of course, I forgot to show you how to check your work. So if you don't remember, whenever we solve an equation for x, we can check our work by putting in what we got for x back into the equation. So in this case, we got that x equals 2. So I can substitute 2 in wherever there's an x. So here I have 5 times 2 minus 2 plus 3 times 2. And that is equal to 2 times 2 plus 5. And I'm checking to see if what's on this side is equal to what's on this side. So now it's just order of operations. Got to make sure to do the parentheses first. 2 plus 5 is 7. So we're left with 2 times 7. Now we do the multiplication. So we have 5 times 2. That is 10 minus 2 plus 3 times 2. That is 6. And then 2 times 7 equals 14. We have 10 minus 2 is 8, plus 6, also 14. These are equal, as I would say, woohoo! So, yeah, there you have it. You now should have everything you need to do the 10 question quizzes. It's questions just like this. They shouldn't be any harder than this. If you need help, you can watch the video again. You can email me. I would recommend doing the questions on a piece of paper. I want you to really try on these. I can see how long you spend on the questions, so don't just spend 1 second guessing on each one. I'm not going to give you credit if you do that. Anyways, hope you all are doing well. Hope you're staying healthy, and please reach out if you need any help or there's anything I can do to support you. Bye.